How to fix Huawei Nova 13 Wi-Fi calling not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. Now swipe down to your control center and here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turning on or off airplane mode, then open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on system and updates. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. And then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.